Hey again, it's Jeremy here with Consciousness Awake. Welcome to the channel. Um, Today I want to just go through some step-and-step instructions on how to do a easy astral projection method. So this whole video is not a guided meditation, just so you know. This information is to be used over the next 24 hours. Okay, so let's just be clear about that. And I'll leave the steps in the description below so that you can reference that later. So, the first thing you want to do is in this moment, while watching this part of the video, I just want you to close your eyes and I want you to repeat this mantra, okay? And this mantra goes, my consciousness is awake. My body is asleep. So just say it 3 times. My consciousness is awake. My body is asleep. 3 times, and do it every 30 minutes. So start doing it from when you wake up in the morning. And do this in your mind all day. This is your own little thing. You know, nobody can hear you repeating a mantra in your mind. Then eat a early dinner, definitely. Early dinner, like 5, maybe 6 o'clock, 6:30, and wait at least 4 hours before going to sleep. So go to sleep around 10:30, 11 o'clock, let's say, and set your alarm for 4 a.m. So go to sleep just like normal. Wake up at 4 a.m. when the alarm goes off and get out of bed. Walk around, wake yourself up, use the bathroom, get a little water, not too much water, just a little water, sip of water. And then sit down with a paper and a clipboard and a pen, or just sit down at a table or wherever, a desk, and write your mantra, the mantra you were doing all day. My consciousness is awake. My body is asleep. So do that, write that mantra out on the piece of paper. Write it 3 times. Okay? Then go back to sleep about 4:30 in the morning. So you've been up for maybe about 30 minutes. Go lay down. Just start doing any breathing exercise that relaxes you, that works for you. I like doing 6 seconds in through the nose, hold my air for 6 seconds, exhale my air from my mouth for 6 seconds, and then just rest for 6 seconds before I take another intake of air through my nose. That's what works for me. You can try that one, but if something else works for you, that's just perfectly fine. And so you're doing your breathing, you're relaxing, you're getting ready to go back to sleep, right? And then I want you to imagine or just visualize a big sphere, golden light, a big ball of light. It's just beautiful. It's golden, it's warm. It gives off a loving vibration, loving vibrational frequency. And it's behind your back, below you. Start feeling, interacting energetically with this golden ball of light, okay? And then bring the ball up. Bring it up into your chest, into your heart. And as you feel it, tingling and vibrating, and you feel the warmth inside your body, then take this sphere of light, and now you're going to turn this into a protection shield, okay, to protect you before intentionally trying to astrally project. Not that you necessarily need it all the time, but it's just better to do things correctly. Okay? And then as you're breathing, as you breathe in through the nose and hold your air, and as you exhale through your mouth, on every exhale, expand this golden sphere, going upward, going around you in a radius, and going below you. So it's a perfect sphere, and you're in the middle of this, you're centered inside this sphere, and you're just expanding this ball in every direction around you until it gets through the walls. Okay? So this is your protection shield. Okay? So as you've done this, and as you've visualized this, and you feel that you're doing it, then start activating your chakras, all your main chakras, starting with the root chakra down below, near the hips, in between the hips. Activate the chakra first. Imagine a spiraling vortex pushing upward, and also at the same time, this spiraling vortex is opening up, is also going below you too. Okay, so it's going up above your body, and it's going below your body. And then just go up the spine and just start activating all of your chakras. By then, you'll start feeling some vibrations and frequency shifts and all sorts of things going on. And as you continue your breathing, as each of these chakra centers these vortexes are opening up above you, below you, you'll feel the energy from that. And as you breathe, bring this energy up your back, all the way up towards your head, aiming it to your crown chakra, actually, which is the seventh chakra, which is a little above your head. So you're shooting for the crown chakra, and as you feel this energy surging up your body, as it goes through your brow chakra, you'll feel your eyelids twitching and blinking repeatedly, going into an REM type of phase. And when you feel your eyelids flickering uncontrollably, and you feel this vibration, all this energy that you're bringing up from your root chakra, bringing up into your crown chakra, you feel all of this happening, then focus on your feet and legs and arms. But focus on your etheric arms and legs, okay? Think about your etheric arms and legs, your 4D body, because that's the body we're focusing on. We're trying to keep this simple. And feel those bodies, that part of the etheric body, lifting up like there's no gravity, and they're kind of flopping up. The legs are flopping up and down. You feel it. You can sense it. You can sense it with your consciousness. And then with your consciousness, just roll out. Just manually, just do it as hard as you can. With all the energy and force you possibly can put into it, just roll out of bed into the middle of your room. But pretend like you're rolling out with your physical body. But it won't be your physical body that's doing the motion of rolling out. It will be your etheric body. Get out into the middle of the room, and then immediately go through the door and get at least 10 feet away from your physical body. And then you're free to explore. So if you have any questions, and just go through the doors or walls. Don't go through glass or mirrors. Okay? You have a very nice evening. Thank you for listening to the video. Please subscribe, share and like, or comment with any questions. Thank you.